Hello everyone, it's a new year and we are here back again. We are back again. I say we are back again. The long break is over. So once again, I want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. I am your man, Wex, representing Intradaypipz. So guys, this year we have a whole lot of stuff in stock for you guys. We are going to be unfolding it as the year goes by, but I'll be doing a video to tell us some of the things I have in stock for you guys. So tighten your seatbelt and let's enjoy the ride. So to start, we are going to be bringing you our weekly analysis. So today I am going to be starting our weekly analysis with you guys today. And you know how it's always like. It's always very hot and it's always coming accurate. I know you said that. Okay, so guys, today I'm just going to be focusing on four pairs. So I'm going to be doing gold, you guys already know. And I'm going to be doing US 30. I'm also going to be doing pound dollar. Then I will take one of the exotic, either pound AUD or pound Japanese yen. So these are the pairs I'm going to be doing today. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the chart and see what the market has for us. Come with me. All right, guys. So here we are on our chart. So first of all, we are looking at US 30. US 30, we are on the daily time frame. Let's see how the market ended. So last week, the just concluded week, the market ended as a bearish candle. So let's take a look at the anticipation. So first of all, as you know, we're going to spot our support right at this level. Oh, all right. So we are picking our support level right at that point. The reason being that price, we are following market structure. So there was a low created here. Price pushed higher and ended up correcting at this price level. Then there was momentum further pushing the market higher to break the previous high created by the market. Remember, this is on the daily time frame. So for us to continue bullish, there's a highly potential that price is likely to retest the point at which price broke out. After this strong breakout, price has not retested this area. So let me mark that area for us to see. So this entire area has not yet been tested after we had this breakout. So there's a strong potential that price is heading towards that level. So price is likely to head towards 35,991 price level. Then from that point, we might likely be watching out for a reaction, maybe some bearish rejection candle for us to continue bullish. So in my opinion, this is my expectation for the week. I expect price to push down into this level, then some reaction, or probably a reaction to the bullish direction, then some trap before price finally push higher. This is on the daily time frame. So let me narrow it down to the 4-hour time frame, and let's see what it has in store for us. So just as we have it on the daily time frame, as you can see, the last candle that closed for the week closed bearish. And if you see on the H4 structure here, we have a double top form right at this level. So marking that point for us to see. So there's a double top right at this price level, and price started declining from that level. And you can see our daily support. Price is actually heading towards that daily support, and there's likely going to be a reaction at this level where price probably will still keep dropping. Then eventually we can now experience some push to the upside. this is basically what I'm going to be looking out for on US30. Remember, like I said, a sell towards this support level, then we look out for some reaction within that level, then we can now decide if we have to go bullish or continue bearish. So this is actually my view on US30. So let's jump into the next pair. Obviously, it's going to be my boy gold. So let's see what gold has in stock for us. Okay, so I'm just going to take off. This was my analysis on Friday, and price actually started playing out as expected. So we're just going to do something fresh for the week. Okay, so I'm gonna maintain the support level. So on this time frame, this is H4. So let me just zoom higher and to the daily time frame. Let's see what the daily time frame has in stock for us. So potentially from the daily time frame, we can see that there is a high probability that price will be pushing bullish, in the sense that looking at the rejections at this level, right? So price rejected at this level, and if you are a price action trader or a pattern trader, you realize that there is this formation right here forming a kind of a W pattern when that led to this push to the upside, right? So price is now currently retesting the neckline, right? So price is currently testing that neckline at 1787 to 1784 price level. So you can see there is a rejection within that level. This is on the daily time frame. So on this note, there's a high probability that gold will be going bullish. Gold will be pushing higher and higher. So now what is the expectation? Where are we expecting price to get to? So first of all, I'm just going to narrow it down to the 4-hour time frame so that I can have a potential expectation. Now on this 4-hour time frame, this is a supply zone at this point. So we have a potential supply within this area. So direction wise, I'll be looking out for bulls on gold. So I'm looking out for bulls on gold, at least targeting 1806 to 1812 price level. Then furthermore, I'll be expecting price to push higher. There should be a reaction within that zone first of all. Then when price pushes higher and breaks this trend line, then we can further see price soaring higher into 1850 area. Let me confirm that price area by going back to the daily time frame to see exactly where that price level falls. 1850. So you can see on that note, 1850 is just a neckline of the previously broken structure. So the structure that was being broken, that is where 1850 is. So there's a high potential that price would keep pushing higher, at least targeting the 1850 price level, at least within the week or next week. But overall, this week we are looking out for buys. Mind you, if you look at daily, we are still on an uptrend. Remember, the trend is always your friend, so you always have to try to stick to the trend. Don't go against the trend, so that you always be on the safer side. All right, so this is my perspective or my opinion when it comes to gold. Now the next pair we are going to be looking at, like I said, I will be looking at pound dollar. So let's see what pound dollar has in stock for us. So this is pound dollar. taking off these guys. So still on the daily. All right, so there we are. So first of all, on this chart, the first thing I've noticed is the trend. Price is on a downtrend. So price is yet to break this bearish trend. Price is yet to break this bearish trend. So basically, from my perspective, what I'm seeing price do is likely that prices will push higher, then probably start rejecting to the downward direction. And you can see price is currently reacting to this dynamic resistance, which is our 200 EMA. So price is currently at the 200 EMA. And if you want to take it a step further, we can spot some supply around this area, so which price has actually tried to tap that supply, the lower boundary of that supply, which eventually is the low of this bearish candle. So price has on this bullish candle tapped the beginning or the lower boundary of the supply. So with this, I will be expecting price to push higher into this zone, create some reaction, then try trading lower. This is basically what I'm going to be expecting on this pair. I am not really going to be looking out for strong buys. I'm just looking out for pushing to the supply, then probably some reaction. But remember, you're not just going to be taking this trade outright, so you have to watch out for the reaction and price action formation within this zone, and you decide if it's going to be a break retest and continuation, or if it's just going to be a reaction to that in this zone, and price will start dropping bearish. So alternatively, if price is going to break out, of course you know that it's going to be targeting this high. So I'm going to mark it out as a zone. So basically this is a zone price would be possibly going to be targeting if it breaks out and decide to retest and continue. So this is possible target on the daily. Remember, this is the daily time frame on pound dollar. So on the bearish direction, the expectation is for price to test this rejected area where price form some rejection before continuing bullish. So basically this is kind of a flat analysis when it comes to pound dollar, because we are actually looking out for what price will do in this zone to give us an idea if we should be going bullish or if we should be continuing bearish, considering the pending trend which is bearish. All right, so guys, we're just going to be moving straight into our next pair. But before that, I would want to say this: please, if you find the content so far entertaining and educating, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like the content and share it as well, please. All right, so let's zoom into the next pair, which is pound Japanese yen. So as a bonus, I'm going to be adding pound AUD as well. Instead of 4, I'm going to be doing 5. So pound Japanese yen. Whoa. All right. So pound Japanese yen has been trading strongly bullish. You can see over the past weeks, it's been on a strong bullish trend, very strong. So now on pound Japanese yen, it's yet to tap into this ultimate supply. So I'll be expecting price to push into this supply. Then we should experience or see some strong rejection within this level to the downside, because actually in this strong rally, price has not really done any significant correction. It has just been one day correction, and then a strong buy comes into play. So basically, I'm expecting price to push higher into this zone, then cause some strong rejection around this 15821 15797 price level. So this is basically my expectation on pound Japanese yen on the daily. So let's see the 4 hour time frame if it does conforms with what we are expecting. So first of all, let's look at a mini trend line from this perspective, from this level. So we have a trend line right at that point. So what I'm going to do is just to duplicate this trend line. The reason being that I want to see exactly where there's going to be a reversal, or how do I put it, where price is actually going to reject to continue bullish. So if you don't understand this, please take it like that. This is something we teach in our course. I know as the year goes by, we're going to be dropping some of the content that uh, has lessons on how to draw this kind of trend line or pick this kind of zones. So basically, uh, after plotting our trend line, we realize that there's a likelihood that price will drop either to react in the zone between this in this channel between the two trend line. Then we should be expecting some rejection reaction within this trend line for price to push higher. So you can see on the structure right now, structure has not really changed, because uh, though this is a high that has been created and price has declined, remember this is H4. So for price to actually change or reverse, for us to confirm that price is actually reversed, there has to be a change in structure. And for now, there hasn't been a change in structure. If you want to look at what price did on Friday, price was actually trading in a range. So you can see basically price was trading in a range. So what normally happens in this scenario, in this situation, is that there's likely bound to be a breakout either to the bullish direction or to the downward direction. So these are how ranges are. It's bound to be a breakout. So like I said, I'm expecting price to push higher. That is basically what I'm expecting. Then a strong reaction, a strong rejection within this zone, which is coming from the daily time frame. This is my perspective on pound Japanese yen. So the last one which I'm going to add, like I said earlier, is pound AUD. So let's just add that before we wrap up this session. Pound Australian dollar. All right, so here we are on pound Australian dollar. This is on the daily 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. So let's quickly go up to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is basically what we have. Okay, so price has actually tapped into the supply. You can see the rejection this particular week that caused the strong bearish drop. This drop that took place was due to the rejection at this 1.8962 price level. So far, after this rejection, price has actually not tested that price. Market has actually not tested that price. So this is the first time market has tested that price, which is 1.8962 level, and that was on Friday. So basically the expectation on this particular pair is for price to push higher than drop. So I'm actually expecting a sell on pound AUD. So if Friday's low is taken out, then there's a potential that price will keep dropping at least to this a 4 created zone. So this the demand zone where price there was an accumulation to push price higher. So a break in Friday's low will likely potentially give room for price to head towards this level or this zone. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my view on the 5 base gold, US30, pound US dollar, pound Japanese yen, and pound Australian dollar. So I hope this helps us in the coming week. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That is a way to encourage us to bring us more content, more educational content. Remember, like I said, I'll be bringing videos with tips and tricks on how to trade this space, especially when it comes to intraday. That is why we are here as Intradaypipz. So guys, stay tuned, stay blessed. Peace.